Get out of the car.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
You got that wrist? She's about to start fighting me.
A routine domestic disturbance call turns into complete chaos when a woman refuses police commands, resists detention, and pushes officers to their limit. What starts as a family dispute quickly escalates into a dramatic confrontation that ends with multiple charges. The Bodycam footage captures every tense moment. Watch and decide for yourself. Could this have been avoided?
What?
Help me, my daughter. She
Hey,
threw
ma'am.
me on the floor. She kicked in my door.
Hey, ma'am.
Help me, please.
Okay. Hey.
Help me. Officer. Officer, she has a car out there, a black car. On the black car, officer. Help me.
Hey.
Back up.
Chill out.
Back up. Close my door.
Don't make us taste.
Don't.
You don't want to get tased for this.
Close my door. Back up. Back up. Close my door.
What's going on? Come on. Come on. Stop. Stop. Get out. You're gonna make it worse.
Get out.
You're gonna make it worse.
Get out. Move.
You're good. Get out of the car. You're gonna talk about this.
What are we gonna talk about?
What happened inside?
Nothing.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car. We'll talk.
Get out of my car.
Get out of the car.
Get out of my car. Get out
Why
of
do
my
you want to
car.
make this worse?
Get out of my car.
Why do you want to make this worse?
Get out. Back up.
Why do you want to make this worse?
I'm just gonna leave.
No, you're not.
Back up.
Not right now until we figure stuff out.
Back up.
Oh, wow. Come on.
Get out of my car. Get out of my car.
What's going on?
Don't touch me.
What's going
Don't
on?
touch me.
What's going on?
Don't.
Hey, go to the other side. Make sure she doesn't start this car. You can just open the door.
Get off of me. Get off.
Get out.
Get off.
Get out. Get out. Seriously.
Get off.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get off of me.
Get out of the car.
Get off of me.
Get out of the car.
Get out.
Get off of me.
Can you hit the gear real quick? Thank you.
What is wrong? Alright, now we're not playing.
Get out of the car.
Got gloves.
Yep.
You want gloves?
Wrist lock.
You want to put gloves?
Yeah.
I got it right now.
Just hold it there. I got gloves. I'll wrist lock it. Alright. Hold that for him. Hey, get out of the car.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
You got that wrist? She's about to start fighting me.
Take it down. Get down.
Alright, get on the ground. Here. Oh, I gotta take it my way. My way. My way. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out. Chill out.
One second. One second. We have the ambulance coming. The ambulance is right here.
What's going on?
I need water.
Okay, well tell me what's
Get
going
me
on.
water. Get me water. Right now.
No.
No?
Jesus. What's going on?
Get me water.
What's going on?
I need water and I'll talk.
What's going on?
Get me water.
You need to calm down.
Get me water.
You need to calm down.
Get me some right now. I swear to God.
Stop.
You better get me some water.
Stop.
You better get me some water.
Just stop.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
Listen, just.
You're gonna pay.
Hey, what's your
Move
name?
your right now.
Hey.
Stop.
Just, what's your name?
I'm not telling you my name.
Well, what can I call you for now?
No, nothing.
Okay.
No.
That's
Shut
fine.
up.
Well, just, here's the deal.
Give me some water right now. Get me some water. Get me some water. Right now. Get your hands off of me.
No. Stop. Hey, just chill out. Got EMS coming. They're gonna get you
Get
some
me the
water.
water.
EMS is gonna get you some water, okay? So for now, I just wanna have a conversation with you. All right? What's your name?
I'm not telling you my name.
Is it Gloria?
No.
Okay.
Yes. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Yeah. Don't talk to me. You don't talk to me either. You hear me? No.
I'll talk to you if I want to.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You will?
Yeah.
Do it.
Yeah, I'm talking to
Do
you
it.
right now.
Do it.
Do what?
Shut the.
No, I'm gonna shut up. I need to talk to you. What happened here?
Shut the. Shut.
What's going on?
Yeah, whatever you feel is right. She lives here, so.
What happened to your finger?
Stay in 814.
Shut the.
You stay in
I'm not
814.
talking to you.
So I can call the
Shut the up. Better shut the up. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Tell me.
Charge you with disorderly
No,
conduct.
you're not.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can, but you're not. Do it.
I will.
Okay, good. Great. Good.
fine.
I don't give a bitch.
Okay, cool. I can also get
Shut the.
I can also
Yeah, I got you some water.
Yeah. Let go of me and let me drink my water.
No, I'm not letting you go.
We can give it to you.
Yeah, you better give me some water. That's right. Serve me. Yeah. No, I want her to do it. Give it to her. Give it to her.
You're either
Right
gonna
now.
get that water from him right now, or you're not getting any water.
Oh, really?
So let me know when you change your mind, right? I'm here for whenever you change your mind. Hey, what happened to your finger?
Shut the.
No, I'm asking you what happened.
With me.
I'm not trying to fuck with you. Stop that.
Hey!
Yeah.
She's fine, I got her.
Yeah,
This
you
is
better
what's-
stop.
She wants fine.
You stop.
Fuck you up. Fuck you up.
You been drinking
Yeah.
today?
Yeah, I have, bitch. What are you gonna
What
do
you been
about it?
drinking?
None of your damn business, bitch.
Anything you recommend? Hey, don't do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that. I got her. I got her. I got her. So, we do that again.
Get her up in the car. We need to get her in the car.
Give me some water
We
first.
still got EMS coming?
No.
No? Get me in a car.
Stop that.
bitch.
Stop that. Sorry.
Stop. Kick my officer again and I'm going to charge you with it, okay? It's called
Bet.
simple battery on a law enforcement
Bet.
officer. Stop it now.
Bet.
Oh, sorry.
Get me some water
Let me just-
first.
No. You can get up and you can get in the car. Get up.
Okay. We need somebody on the other side to pull her from the inside. You got it?
You guys got her into the door?
Yep.
I got her head. I'm supporting her
1,
head.
2, 3. Alright. Let's just go to the ground. Let's go to the ground with her. Let's go to the ground. Alright.
That's what I thought.
Let's just leave her like this. Let her calm down. We'll try again.
Then stop kicking my officer. Do you want medical help or not? That's what we're trying to do for you.
Okay.
Stop kicking my officer.
Give me some water, bitch.
We're past that. You're not getting water right
Oh,
now.
really?
Yep.
Bet.
Got
Okay,
it.
give me some water.
Nope.
Oh, you can? Oh, okay. No. I want you or her. I want you or
I can't come over there. I'll be interfering with
Oh, really?
with an investigation.
Okay, babe. Give me some water. All
Calm down. You get the water.
right, I'm calm. Give me some water.
I'll be the decision maker on
No,
that. getting water right now.
Oh, really?
Don't
Really?
talk to the police like that.
Sit up more, okay? I
Go
don't want
ahead. Sit up. I'm right here. You don't talk to the. Oh, really?
Back up, back up.
Back up.
to- Hey, sit up. Unleash.
Their name's Gloria. Yeah. I've got her. Gloria, can we get you up and set you right here? That way you're off the concrete?
No.
Please, no. Come on. No. I gave you all the good drugs. No. Pretty please.
No.
Will you do it if I got helped you up there?
I'll do if you give me water.
Okay. Well, that's up to them. Can I give you
Follow
water?
me.
If you get up here, we'll give you water.
Okay, bye.
Somebody
Yeah,
get
that's water,
water. Yeah. All right. We
Okay,
gotta
go.
get up there and you listen
All
to them.
Come
No.
on.
Do you need some help?
No.
Can I help you?
No, I'm waiting for her to give me water.
Okay. Oh, she wants water first. Okay.
Here.
I got the water.
No, no.
Oh, no, she wants me to get
Yeah.
it. Power key. Okay. Is that good?
Yeah,
Good?
serve me. Serve me. That's her thigh.
All right, we need you to get down here now. All right, get on there. Come on. So now that I have your water,
Yeah,
unless you get on there, you're not getting any more.
Thank you.
Come on.
Oh, sweet.
Sit down.
Yeah, look
Yeah, you gave me water.
Yeah, sit down.
You served me, bitch. How did it feel? How did it feel? Yeah, that's what I wanted.
See the first
Yeah,
police
that's what I
before that.
thought. Back up. Yeah.
The woman was charged with battery, resisting arrest, and battery on law enforcement officers. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more of our content.
What makes this case so remarkable isn't just the initial domestic disturbance call, it's how quickly the situation escalated once officers arrived and began their investigation. Throughout this encounter, officers repeatedly attempted to de-escalate the situation by issuing clear commands, offering opportunities for cooperation, and trying to determine exactly what had happened inside the residence. Instead of taking those opportunities, the suspect repeatedly refused lawful instructions, resisted efforts to detain her, challenged officers at nearly every stage of the encounter, and ultimately became physically combative. From a legal standpoint, domestic disturbance calls are among the most unpredictable and dangerous situations officers face. When police respond to reports of violence or physical altercations, they are required to investigate and secure the scene before allowing involved parties to leave. That's why officers repeatedly told her she was not free to simply drive away before they figured out what had happened. Once a lawful detention begins, refusing commands or physically resisting can create additional criminal liability beyond the original incident being investigated. One of the most striking aspects of this footage is how many chances were given for cooperation. Viewers can see officers attempting conversation, explaining their actions, warning her about potential consequences, and even coordinating with medical personnel to address her requests. Yet every effort to calm the situation was met with more hostility, more resistance, and more confrontation. Moments like these often serve as a reminder that a person's behavior during police contact can significantly influence how an encounter unfolds. Another important takeaway is the role alcohol may have played in this incident. While intoxication does not excuse criminal conduct, it can contribute to poor judgment, impulsive decisions, and emotional outbursts. Several of her actions throughout the encounter appeared driven by frustration, anger, and a refusal to cooperate, all of which compounded the difficulties officers faced while trying to complete their investigation safely. The final charges, battery, resisting arrest, and battery on law enforcement officers, reflect not just the original allegations, but also conduct that allegedly occurred during the interaction itself. In many cases, additional charges arise because of decisions made after officers arrive rather than before. That's a lesson viewers often see repeated in bodycam footage across the country. Now we want to hear from you. Do you think officers handled this situation appropriately? At what point, if any, do you think the encounter became unavoidable? Could this entire situation have ended differently if cooperation had come earlier? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns and bodycam analyses. Your support helps us continue bringing you the most fascinating real-world cases and in-depth legal breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more of our content.